It's mine. Whose world is this?
Taking over, hit the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks. Or fire you desire, but rock and maybe flip. It's easy, you never trip, get them early, you never miss no bite. But if they have me get to the court, they cap. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World, Sneaker World, Sneaker World.
Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby Sneaker World, and I'm back with another video. It's not very awesome. This might be the second time I've gotten in front of this camera here on the YouTube airways and had to kind of eat my words on a sneaker that I was talking real spicy about prior to its release. The first one was the Jordan IEs. I was talking heavy. Said that I would never wear Jordan 11 low. They were all cheeks. And then I got the IEs a year ago, 2 years ago, whenever that one retro. And I had to eat crow on that. This will be the second time. I think I might have been talking I was talking pretty Cajun on these. So if you're new around here and that big button down below it's still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure the button is gray. Subscribe to the channel, man. Join the movement. And we're gonna crack into this box. This box has been here for a few weeks. I actually secured these through a trade on a sneaker that I will not ever retract what I said about it. The Jordan AJKO, those will be forever trash. The Billie Eilish, I traded those for this sneaker right here. And I mean, I guess it's still possible that I could hate this sneaker, but this to me is very reminiscent in my personal experience to this sneaker right here, the Waverunner. Now, it's nothing like the Waverunner itself, the sneaker, but I was really anti-Waverunner. Thought it was ugly, didn't really get the whole where it was going, but that was just from images. Then I started seeing them on foot and I was like, yo, those look lightweight. You know what I'm saying? If I get the opportunity to get my hands on those. And then 2 years ago I was able to secure a pair of those and I love them. This might be my 2021 Waverunner. As you can see, the box, Yeezy 450. I was talking heavy about this sneaker. Now, as you can see, got tradeblock, free promotion. You know what I'm saying? There you go. Billie Eilish, like I said, is out of the door. And oh, I guess I can show you guys the size label. This is 11.5. I think that I'm, you know what I'm saying, I went 11.5. I went a half size up. My personal size with the lighting, I don't know if you guys, it'll probably wash this out, but sorry about that. Oh. Got the ring light on, but it does say 11.5. COLWHT, which is cloud white. Whatever. That's what that says. I'm going to move to the side because the lighting is probably going to wash these out. Comes in this really narrow box because these look like dumplings. They're smashed down. Smashed down. And this is what you have. Now, also, alright, let me see if I can get this. I don't know if it might be able to focus enough, even with the cream and white or whatever. So I might not have to move off to the side. But as you guys can see, you got this now, I'm very well aware that this sneaker is not attractive. But just like I've seen the Waverunner, just like I've seen the MNVN or whatever that is, and this falls right into that lane for me where these are not attractive in hand at all. But every image that I see, all the on foot pictures look dope to me. Like all of the on foot images look dope. They look way better on feet. The Waverunners, the MNVN or whatever that is, Yeezy, and these as well. So I'm curious if this will be my Waverunner. Will I love this on foot? Cause like I'm just looking at it. This is not it. It's still cheeks. But I'm hoping once I throw these on, I'm planning on wearing these tomorrow. I'm hoping that they look as good on my feet as that I feel as they look on other people's feet, in my opinion. You know what I'm saying? It's not, I don't know what this, I can't give you a great review on it because I don't know what these materials are. This outsole that creeps up into the midsole / uppers feels like it's all one piece. Obviously you can see it's a very aggressive midsole, where it has like this Beetlejuice chair type caging. Toe box is wide, but short. Got like a great, I don't even know what color. It's not the midsole and the outsole is like a eggshell white. The uppers look like it's like a oatmeal type color, at least in the lighting. It's like a tannish white. And then on this back, which I don't like, I seen this in images, but back here it looks dirty, but it's actually the color they make it. It's just like the back of a 350 where the strip part on the back is a different color. The black pair and the slate pair also has like a brownish back for some reason. I don't know why he does that. Do have the Yeezy Ortholite insoles. I'll move off to the side a little bit. Maybe I can give you some better images. Let me see. Maybe I can turn this lighting down, so be able to actually give you some looks. So as you can see, you got this very aggressive upper. This is what your tag labels, how they should read. It should come doubled up, with your sizing and everything else that will be on there for anybody that needs that for authentication purposes. Now this is the back portion I was talking about. That looks gross. That looks like something was spilled, or like when your sneakers get old and you start taking your sneakers off with the other sneaker, the toe of the other sneaker, and it leaves stains down the back. That's what that is. I don't like that at all. I do not like that because it's unnecessary. Sock liner feels extremely tight. So if you have a wide foot, it's going to be extremely difficult for you to get your foot in these because these laces don't seem to be necessary as far as loosening the fit of this sneaker. So the width of your foot is not going to matter. It's going to be tight regardless. And then you do have some Adidas branding up there, I believe. That is the only Adidas branding that I see right there on the toe, on the outsole. So I'm gonna throw these on foot. Like I said, I'm wearing these tomorrow. Y'all will see me on IG in these tomorrow, depending on when you see this video. But either way, you will see an image, a picture of me in these. Check it out. You know what I'm saying? My IG is always down in the description box below. Let me know. I'm pretty sure I know what you're going to say about these. There's a few people that like these, but these do not look good right here. I'm very well aware. They do not look good in front of this camera right here. But I'm excited to see if they look better on foot. So I think it was I think I definitely traded up getting these for those AJKOs. Shout out to that my trade partner. But I'm about to get out of here. I appreciate y'all. OVE!